What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more reviews. This time we're going to be looking at some brand new cases that I just got in for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. These are from the company SwitchEasy, and this is the world's first glass case, the Glass Rebel, and we're about to check it out right now. Stay tuned. This is the first glass case that I've seen. This is the Glass Rebel. So if you notice, we're going to look closely right here. It says you get optical transparency, 90%, 9H hardness, Shatterproof Protection, Aerotech, which is just safety, and then honeycomb structure in that TPU. And then on the back, they just have a picture of the actual product. It shows you about the air barrier and how it works on the inside. And the Aerotech protection, which is protection plus it's light, and also aviation grade aluminum alloy and carbon fiber. So this thing should be able to withstand just about any kind of drop. Like I said, they've been military certified. They got that shatterproof. Then you just get all kinds of instructions, no fingerprints, no nothing. Let's check this out. So it has a piece of tape right here. That open. So this is the first one. Open that up, put the box into the side. Now it just has your warranty information and all that good stuff in there. I'm gonna poke that out. Okay. This is my first time actually putting my hands on this case. So doesn't give. Hard back, hard on the outside, camera cutout. Okay, so this one is the green color that matches my phone. I'm just gonna drop this thing in. And let's get it opened. And now. So let's see how this thing actually looks. Right here, you get the actual grips on the side. So you're not gonna have any issues with holding this. It's not slippery at all in your hands. All of our cutouts seem to match up. Let's check out the, okay. These buttons are really tactile. I like that. Nice and clicky. You can still see my phone through there. I'm not too sure about the fingerprint thing, which, there we go. Just wiped it down. It still looks good. Let's check out this camera. There are no issues with that. My lenses are nice and protected. I like that. You get nice hard rubber edges. So the last thing I want to do is actually look at that lip around the edge, and it really doesn't have much of a lip. The screen kind of disappears a little bit behind there. I would probably rather have a little bit more of a lip on there. Like I said, this is the green one. So no issues with the screen. Now I don't just super slam my phones down because I really don't plan on dropping them. I know accidents happen, but there is a lip there that's protecting. So no issues with that. Now, like I said, glass back, you get your SwitchEasy logo down here, and that's pretty much it. Very simplistic style casing. So let's see what's the easiest way to get this thing out of here. The top just pops off. There we go. And then the whole thing comes out. Now that's the actual green one right there. Now it says no fingerprints, but I do have some fingerprints on the back. So I just wipe those down. Let's get the next one open. Okay, same deal. You get the rubber grips. You get the honeycomb shaping on the inside there. You see the honeycomb? That's gonna hold air, and it's gonna make little air pockets. So if you do drop your device, there are gonna be no issues with it breaking. Just clip it in, and same deal. You're good to go. Now these cases don't add a whole lot of bulk. They're pretty thin, and like they say, they are lightweight. So I give them that. These cases are gonna run you about 30 bucks. But I think it's well worth it to have that layer of protection for that expensive iPhone. Let's get this open. Okay, this one just does not want to come open. All right, same thing. Get that out. There we go. Just a black one. I'll try it on just to let you see how it looks. But that's pretty much it. Same as the other styles. It's going to allow you to have that clear backing. Your camera and everything's protected. All your buttons match up, and the buttons are still nice and tactile on the sides as well. And each one of these Glass Rebel cases is certified to Qi charge. So you don't have to worry about wireless charging. They're all good to go in that aspect. So guys, there we go. Military grade protection for that iPhone. Glass back. You got camera cutout, which protects the camera. You have nice tactile buttons. You have all of our ports matching up. Everything looks good, and it comes in 3 separate versions. So I'm going to drop a link below so you can check these out for yourself. This is the SwitchEasy Glass Rebel. Like I said, you're going to pay about 30 bucks for this case, but I think it's well worth it to protect that $1,000 iPhone. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure to give me that thumbs up and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.